Where's my beer? Did you want one?
He's the man who provides all the beers. And no one even thought of Greg.
Yeah.
For the most part, yes. But for many parts, no.
Just give it like 5 on the snare drum. Da 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 da. Or what's that? 6 or 5? I don't know. I don't know how many it is.
7.
7?
I think it was 7.
Yeah. So like.
Oh my god. Oh fuck. This is Tom's suggestion, wasn't it? I can see him. Hello, what are you doing?